Okay, and we're gonna keep continue with 2C, which is histograms. Histogram actually is very common grams in the general math, especially during the statistics and data selections. Um, the graphical display, the frequency table for the numerical variables is called a histogram. And in histogram, we will have frequency is showing the vertical axis, which is going to show you later, which is on the left hand side. And the variables being displayed plot in the horizontal axis, which is, for example, your height, your number of siblings, and so on, which is in the horizontal axis. Each column will be corresponds the data values, which is data intervals and data the groups alternately, and then also discrete data, and will locate for the middle of the column. So, and also the last one, the height, the column given the frequency, the numbers and percentage. So, from previous the videos we've been doing the examples with assembling. So now they're giving us the frequency table, so we can make that happen. So first thing first, as I said, frequency on the left. So which is we're gonna do is drawing the vertical line, and it's called frequency. Yeah, and we keep going a little bit because I think it's gonna be pretty long, and then we're gonna draw the horizontal line, which is they called number of siblings. Number of the siblings. Perfect. All right, now let's start with we had a 0 to 6, which is from the highlighting, right? So we have a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we could do is we could draw 0. So 0, 1, sorry, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. And then the frequency is, we can see the frequency, the highest one is 7, which is here, 7. So the latest one is 1, so which is we're gonna be as well 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Perfect. Okay, so 0 representing 6 frequency. So we can draw the beautiful graph as a green one. So 6, which is from in the middle line, which is from here to here. Okay, so 6. All right, 6. Good. Yeah, there you go. So 6 for 0. And 1, which is the middle line to middle line. This one to, which is here. So we can draw to 7, which is in the hardest one. Okay. So 7 still, and keep going with middle line. I know that's the differently between. So we can do that. Yeah, perfect. So that's for 1 siblings. And then what happened to 2? So we have a 6 again. So we're back on 6 from 2. All right, and to the middle as always. So here. Okay, and then we can create the full graph pretty much. And 3 is 5, so which is gonna be here. And they're gonna keep going straight to the middle line. Perfect. And then that's a 3, and 4 is 3. So we're gonna keep going with that. So I'm doing just to make sure you guys all have a ruler, okay? So just in case. And then 5 will be 2. Yep. And then there you go. and 6 will be 1. Perfect. That's it. That's all the frequency take. That's all the histogram looks like. Perfect. And then there's the group 1 as well. So I actually can start creating, and hopefully you guys can understand how that works. Okay. So first thing first, highest number is 13, lowest number is 1. So that's our frequency in between. Okay. Secondly, let's graph in the vertical. Perfect. Yeah. Histogram, that's a height, and that's a frequency. Yeah. All right, frequency, I can start with something different because it's a 13 to 1. So that's quite big. So we start with a 0, 5, and 10, and 15. Okay. And then the groups in between, I will start with 170, 175 in between, right? So because that's 170 to 170.49, 174.9. And then we go 180, 185. So remember, no gap in between. 190, 195, and 200, and 205. That should be enough because no one gonna be bigger than 205. So, all right, first one, 170 to 175 is 4. So I can draw 4 is here. So come here, down, 2, 174, 5, between. Perfect. And 175 to 178 is 5. So we could drop a little bit up, horizontal, straight line. Yep. And let's go. And then keep going 185. So which is 185 is 180 to 185 is 13. So which is the highest one, 13. Remember, you can always use a ruler. Perfect. All right, and then 185 looks like that. Yeah, perfect. And then next one is 185 to 190. 185 and 190 is 9, so which is just below 2. So always I like to use the slash dots and then to give me some ideas with that. All right, perfect. And then 190 to 195 is around like 7, so which is here 7. And keep going. So it's here 190 and then go. Yeah, which is pretty good. And then 200s, which is around 1. So about here. Perfect. And then 205 is 2. So which is here. Perfect. That's it. That's all the histogram as a group continues data as well. Hopefully you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time.